Did you know that there are 15 unbelievable facts about the science of getting rich? If this is the first time you have heard of these ideas, it might be tough for you to believe. After all, many people assume that the rich just live very simple lives without any effort at all. However, if you learn more about this subject matter, you will understand that getting rich is not only possible but also very easy. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to get rich quick, 15 unrealistic but true facts about the science of getting rich quick. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. One. You can learn how to get rich from doing what you already do. Contrary to popular belief, you can indeed learn ways to get rich. In other words, it does not matter what you do, you can make money even if you are currently working at home, in a classroom, or at an office. This is because there are many opportunities for you to get rich, provided you are willing to look for them. 2. One way to get rich is through your own property. Most people assume that they cannot become rich by owning their own homes. However, you may now surprise others by telling them that they can indeed do so. Of course, you have to spend time in order to learn the proper way to do it. However, if you are willing to invest the time and effort, you might just be able to find yourself a dream home. 3. The third way to learn about becoming rich is by learning about the opportunities that are currently available on the internet. There are many people who are trying to make money online. Of course, this is one reason why internet technology is such a growing industry. There are many ways for you to learn about making money through the internet, including web programming, affiliate marketing, and even auctioning off things you own. 4. You can learn about ways to get rich by getting involved with one of the many franchises that are available today. Franchises allow you to enter into an industry where you will have the opportunity to grow and expand. You can also get into industries where your services are needed in large quantities. As you start to grow in your business, you can decide what you would like to do to help improve the franchise. Of course, if you are successful, you can start a new franchise. 5. Finally, there is the internet, and this is the number one place that you should definitely check out in order to answer the question, how to get rich quick. This is because there are many rich people on the internet who will be more than willing to answer any question you have regarding how to get rich quickly. If you do not have internet access, however, you can still research the rich quick method on your own. These are just 5 of the many answers you will find by doing some research online. The reason why you want to use the internet is that it is free, and you can look up all sorts of information. Once you begin looking at various answers, you will find that many different people have already discovered answers that you have been searching for. So, in closing, when you have a question regarding how to get rich quick, you really do not need to search outside of the internet. If you just continue to look for answers on the internet, you will quickly run out of choices, and that is the last thing you want to happen. Instead, you should begin to use the resources that are already available. Hopefully, that will help you make some money as you continue your quest in finding the answer to the question, how to get rich quick. Thanks for watching my video about how to get rich quick, 15 unrealistic but true facts about the science of getting rich quick. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.